Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to paint pearls in Procreate. For that, I have created a square canvas. Taking a monoline brush from calligraphy section, draw a rough round shape and hold with a finger to make it in circle shape. Drag and drop color to fill in the shape. And please make sure not to use white color here. I will mention color codes on the screen. Take a new layer and clip it to the base layer. Selecting this shade and with soft brush with slightly a bigger size, I am applying some shadows in the center and bottom of the pearl. With this grey shade, applying more shadows towards center of the pearl. And now with a lighter shade, I am applying some highlights here. Now go to Gaussian blur and apply around 19 to 20%. Now take a new layer, clip it and change the blend mode to linear burn. And with this shade, apply some more shadows with soft brush at the bottom of skirt and slightly in the center of the pearl. Now take one more layer, clip it and change the blend mode to soft light. Now with a lighter shade and with soft airbrush, I am applying some highlight strokes to enhance the look of the pearl and make it more realistic. Now take a new layer, clip it and change the blend mode to overlay. Now I am taking this bluish kind of shade and with a larger soft brush I am applying some lighter strokes over the pearl. It will give a nice hue and a nice look to the pearl. So here this pearl has been done. I hope this video is helpful for you, and in the next video I will share how to make a pearl brush with this pearl. So stay connected, do subscribe and thanks for watching.